Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can clear the site cookies on DuckDuckGo web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in DuckDuckGo web browser here on my desktop computer, and there are two ways how we can clear the site cookies. Option number one, guys, if you'd like to do that manually, open up DuckDuckGo here on your computer, navigate to these three lines in the top right, click into history or hover your mouse over it, and from that menu choose delete all history. And after that, from that window here, select the items you would like to delete. In this case here, I would like to delete or clear the cookies inside data. So make sure that this checkbox is selected, confirm by clicking into delete, and that is going to delete the site cookies. Option number two would be to use the incognito window. Click into these three lines in the top right, select this option or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N. And that is going to open up the incognito mode here on DuckDuckGo. And whenever you close the incognito window here on DuckDuckGo, the site cookies from that session will be cleared automatically by DuckDuckGo as well. So guys, that's the two options. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.